improv.
Number 2, I guess.
Number 2, I guess. Improv number 2, I guess. This time I'm playing the chords and Caleb Klein on ukulele melody. And we just call that an ending. Bravo! And should we call it something besides improv number 2? A lot of songs are called
Improv double.
Improv double. The duet improv.
Sure.
All right, good. Okay, sure. Goodbye.
Bye.